Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your HEIC photos to JPG on your iPhone for free. If you're ready to learn this easy trick, let's get started. First, open the Files app from your iPhone's home screen. If you don't have the Files app installed, you can download it from the App Store. Once you're in the Files app, tap on Browse at the top left, and then tap on My iPhone. Now, let's create a new folder to save our converted JPG files. Slide down and tap on the three dots at the top right, then select New Folder. Name the folder something like New Pictures. Next, open your Photos app and go to the Albums section. Find the HEIC photo that you want to convert and tap on Select at the top right. With the photo selected, tap on the Share button at the bottom left and then tap on Copy Photo. Now, head back to the Files app. Open your new folder and press and hold on the empty space. Tap on Paste, and that's it. Your HEIC file is now converted to a JPG image. And there you have it. That's how you can easily convert HEIC to JPG on your iPhone for free. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.